Hi guys, do you still wanna make money online in 2025? Or is this your new year project that you want to start making money online as a side hustle or just a main hustle? If yes, this is a beginner's guide on how you should start or how you can start making money online if you're in Kenya, and also can apply if you're watching from any other part of the world. In case you're new here, hi, I am Sarah. I have been working online for 4 years. This is my 5th year, and throughout the 4 years I have done different jobs online, and I'm here to share some of the tips, skills, and just anything about working from home. In case you have not subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Also hit that like button and share this video to anyone who aspires to join this working from home gang. One of the things that I do not like or that pains my heart is when I come online and I see videos with hundreds of thousands of views talking about how to make money online easy, and once you watch that 20-minute video, you get out of it without a solid idea that you can actually actualize and start making money, and those videos have so many views. But on this channel I talk about the things that I have either experienced firsthand or I have seen people around me, maybe my friends, do and make actual money. Before we even get into the guide, the very first thing that you should know to make money online, you for sure need a skill. You're not going to wake up today, think about making money on the internet and start earning that day. It is a process. The first thing is you need a skill and the equipment. So what are you good at? What are your skills even before you get into looking for jobs? Are you an editor? Are you a writer? Are you a designer? Can you do websites? What skills do you have? And what equipment do you need? One, you need of course a computer or a laptop, and two, you need a stable internet connection. Now, the very first thing to ask yourself, do I have those things? If you have them, now you go to the next step. What do you want to do online, or what skills do you already have? And guys, this to set things clear, I do not have any job that you can do on your phone. I do not have any. I have listed some jobs that you can do on your phone on this channel, but what I say is you can go to the cyber, set up a few things, and then continue on your phone. But I've not seen any job that you need to do 100% on your phone. I'm yet to come across that one. And part of the equipment or the things that you need, you may also need a payment gateway. So you need to open a PayPal or a Pioneer account. If you're here in Kenya, it's very easy to open a PayPal account and verify. Just make sure you register it with your actual name as they show in your ID or your driver's license. Do not add names which are not there because it would be hard for you as you verify. And Pioneer, it's one and the same thing. You just have to go on the website paypal.com, pioneer.com, create the account, and you will be set. But before even you think about payment gateway, think about the skill that you may have. Once I started writing, because my first job when I started working online was article writing, I saw someone doing it and it was so easy for me. I was like, oh, you're just writing this and you're being paid. I think this is something I can do. I actually told the person to give me one job. I did, but it was so hard for me. So she gave me some notes. I went through the notes, and at the end of the day, I was able to write an article. So what do you do? What can you do? Are you a video editor? Can you be able to create very unique content for businesses and big companies? What skill do you have? Are you a designer? And guys, think about it. Today we have sites like canva.com, in case you do not know, which has free pre-made designs that you can use to make a few creations here and there and make money. Can you create social media strategies and sell to other people? That's the question that you need to ask yourself. So the second thing that you need to do, if you have the equipment, the second thing is the skill. So point out that one skill that you want to do. So many people on this channel want to know more about writing. If you can write, is it article writing or is it academic writing? Because many people come to me and tell me they want to start doing writing, and I'm like, what type of writing? We have article writing, we have academic writing. Which one do you want? And they're mostly like, I kind of want the tool. No, you have to start somewhere. So is article writing easy for you, or is it academic writing? Something else that you can consider is, do you know a person doing it? For example, when I started, my aunt was doing it and it was easy for her to show me how to do the article writing. Now when it comes to academic writing, I had to pay someone to show me. So is there anyone around you, for example, who is doing social media management, who is a VA, that they can guide you? If not, do not panic. Come here on YouTube, do your research. Most of the things, for example, social media management, I am so vocal about it. I learned it here on YouTube. Like, I watched so many videos. I've watched every video from Natasha James. So I watched so many videos on how to start, how to exam, until I was able to get my first customer. So do not panic and start asking yourself, where am I going to learn on something? If it's, for example, writing, I have done so many academic writing tutorials on this channel. In case you do not have time or you want to skip the research phase, you can go ahead and take a course. There are so many people offering different courses. Just make sure the course that you're taking is from a credible person and that person is knowledgeable enough. For example, if you want to do academic writing, I have a comprehensive academic writing course, which I always put the link down on the description box. If you want to do, for example, social media management, there is a woman on Instagram who teaches people how to do social media management. I've seen so many people on TikTok training about VA, graphic design. There are so many people offering these courses at different prices. Just get a credible person and take that course. And this is for anyone who do not want to take time to go through the research. But I will tell you for sure, it is important to do your background research. The third thing after you have the skill is to get jobs. Now, many people skip the second step. They think about making money from home. They have the equipment. They want to skip the learning phase where you get to know, okay, this is what I want to do. This is what I can do. You've not even practiced, but you skip that phase and you go to getting jobs. And now when you go into getting jobs, the very first thing that you're going to be asked for is your experience. Show us your past work. Even me, when I'm hiring academic writers, I must go through your samples, and it's not just 1 or 2. I can ask even for 5 on sake to be sure that you meet the expectations, because I know very well I can send someone a sample and they use it somewhere. So if you skip this second phase, you're going to find it hard to get jobs, and that's why many people are stuck. They're going to think about getting jobs, they're going to get a computer, and they're going to skip it and go to finding jobs. Now, on this finding jobs, I'm going to send you on Fiverr and Upwork. Those are the best platforms. The very first time I got a job, which was not from a person who had an account in Kenya, this is writing, I got it on Upwork, but I was very new, so I messed it up and I got a very bad review, so I was not able to get any other job there, and I jumped onto Fiverr, and guys, Fiverr worked for me, turned my life around. And the same thing, I'm going to send you there. Once you have the skill and you have something to show that you can actually do that thing that you want to do to start making money, go on Fiverr and set up a very good account. Go on Upwork and set up a very nice account, and do not mix yourself. If you want to do social media management, if you want to do writing, go up there and set up a writing account. Do not go there and say, I am a writer, I am a social media manager, I am a VA. No. It's very important to be focused and to niche down as you're starting out. For example, as for me here, I can do academic writing, I can do article writing, social media management, VA, because I have experience. But for you as a beginner, you don't even have enough evidence. For example, on Fiverr, we get reviews. Your account does not have any. But if you go on Fiverr, my account has so many reviews, and that's the difference. So make sure you niche down and create a very good and professional account. Once you put up those 2 accounts, make sure you go out and check out a few tips. For example, on Fiverr, it is important to be always online. It's important to share out your profile on, for example, Facebook and other social media places. If it's on Upwork, it's very important to bid as fast as possible. all this information is on this channel, and there is much more here on YouTube. Go through and learn such a few things, and after that, because now you have sample, like you've gone through the skill and you for sure you can do it, start marketing yourself. And what is marketing? For example, when I started doing videos here on YouTube, I used to buy academic writing accounts. Right now, I do not buy any accounts because this act as a marketing for me. I'm able to set myself out there as an expert in academic writing. If you go on my Instagram, it shows very well. I am a social media manager. The account is well optimized. Start marketing yourself. Set up social media pages. If it's hard for you to run 2, 3, or 4, you can just use your old one and start sharing about that thing that you want to do. The final thing I'm going to talk on this video is you avoid scams. Anywhere that you're told to pay even $1 for you to access jobs, it's a scam. Don't come to me and ask me, I'm being told to pay this and this amount, because I know there are a few Kenyans accounts which ask people to pay. If they are asking you to pay a certain amount, do not pay. Do not pay to get jobs. Do not pay to receive payments. Do not pay for connections. The only thing that you can pay is for a course. It's very easy. Get a skill, have the equipment, showcase yourself out there, put yourself out on social media, market yourself, open a Fiverr and an Upwork account, and put in the effort. You do not just go there and open and you do not optimize. You need to optimize it. For example, in Fiverr, I have all this content on this channel. You need to set up your account using SEO because clients will be searching for you. It is a marketplace. On the other hand, you bid for the jobs. That's the difference. So anyway guys, that is it. This is a very simple guide for anyone who want to start making money online. Do not wake up today, think about making money on the internet, and maybe you hear about writing and you can get jobs on Upwork, and you go straight, open an Upwork account on your phone. Actually, you don't even have a computer, you don't have a sample of what you can do or anything to show that you have experience in that thing. No, it is a process, and for sure it's not get rich quick. Making money on the internet is not like making money faster or getting rich quicker. It is a process. Anyway guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe on this channel. And if you have a question, you can drop it down on the comment section and I'll for sure get back to you. And for now, bye.